Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So as you can tell from the title, the reason I'm sitting this close to you today is because we're gonna be testing out this MAC Shape and Shade brow tint. I purchased it in the shade Taupe because I wanted something that's a bit lighter than my eyebrows. My eyebrows are naturally quite dark, but I find when I do my eyebrows dark, they look a bit harsh. So I wanted to go with something that's a little bit lighter, and I was matched by artist in the store to this shade. This is a quite light, almost like an ashy blonde shade that looks like this. And it actually has two ends, not just a felt tip end, but it also has a powdery end that is basically helps to set and I guess darken up the product. As you can see, that's much richer and darker in shade. If you haven't seen yet, I already done a comparison video on the NYX and the Revolution Pro brow pencils. I love them both, to be honest. The NYX is a bit more ashy, the Revolution Pro is a bit more on the red side, and this MAC one is, it doesn't really compare to them. This is not a pencil product, this is a liquid product that dries down to almost completely smudge proof. And basically the reason I purchased it is because I wanted a smudge proof product. I had some accidents in the past when I had a full face of makeup on and then I touched my brow and it came off. It was just a disaster. So basically the reason I purchased it is because I want my eyebrows to stay in place the whole day. This is not the first brow tint product I purchased. I did have one from L'Oreal before, but because of the applicator I really dislike that one. I find that the product itself was quite similar, but I just can't work with that applicator. This applicator is actually really nice. It's a really sharp felt tip, amazing stuff. Okay, the only thing that this is missing is really just a spoolie. I will be using my brow pencils spoolie for that reason. So anyway, I'm gonna comb through my brows first, just as always, because I put my foundation on first and sometimes I have some foundation in my brows, unfortunately. And then we're gonna shake up this product and I'm gonna start on the bottom. So I'm gonna start here and go to my arch, and then I'm gonna do the top of my arch, tail, and then we're gonna come back to the front. That's just how I always do. So okay, so my thoughts on this product so far. I think it looks really nice, really natural. The only one complaint I have is, well, it's not really the product's fault, it's just the fact that it's a liquid with a felt tip. It's really hard to control how much product you get. Yeah, so that makes it a bit hard to apply sometimes. Like you have a gap somewhere, you want to fill it in. You can't really just fill it in with the liquid like you would fill it in with a pencil. You will need to turn it around and you will need to use this end to fill in that gap, because the liquid itself is not dark, it's not pigmented enough to fill in the gap for you, but that also makes it look very natural. So yeah, it's both pro and a con. So I'm just gonna go on, I'm gonna do the other eyebrow, and after that we're gonna come back and we're gonna use this and to darken up the outer half of the brow bit. So I think it's looking nice so far. So I'm just gonna go in with this other end now and gonna see if we can darken up the outer half a bit. And also I guess it will set the liquid in place.
Take it easy.
Before I would tell you my final thoughts of this product, I'm gonna go in with my Essence Make Me Brow, because it wouldn't be a fair review if I wasn't using this, because I use this every time. Okay, so that's the finished look. I think it's really nice and natural. I mean, if you're looking for Instagram brows that are perfectly done, then this is not the right product for you. But if you just want to slap something on that's not gonna budge the whole day before you go to the gym, before you go to the beach, or before you go to work, then this product is beautiful because it really does not budge the whole day. Let me just show you on my hand what I mean. So I'm just gonna put some product here, and I'm gonna put some of my Revolution Pro under it. I'm gonna put some of my NYX1 on top of it. So once again the MAC one is in the middle. I'm gonna wait a second and then I will come and try to rub it off, and you will see that the MAC one is the only one that's gonna stay in place. And I think that's a really important thing for all of us ladies who have a problematic eyebrow, because your mascara can budge, your eyeshadow can wear off, your lipstick can come off when you eat, but if your eyebrows move, that's a big problem. Here are the three, and let's just try to rub it now. Can you see the MAC one in the middle is still there, and the other two rubbed off? I think it looks really nice. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching today. I hope to see you back next time. I'm gonna be back with loads of more videos in the very near future. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.